Hello, that's a rhododendron behind me. I am at Hamilton Gardens in Hiawassee, Georgia, and I actually was hoping to hike today, but yesterday Forrest and I went out to investigate some of the other trails in Jackrabbit Mountain, and they are mainly mountain bike trails. They do allow hikers, but since he is still working on training on his leash on hiking, I decided it's probably safer not to bring him on one of those trails just in case he should run across the trail on his leash when a mountain biker's coming. I would hate to cause an accident or get hit by a mountain biker, especially since I'm still recovering from my foot injury from the PCT. So I was looking around for things to do and discovered Hamilton Gardens, which I was here years and years ago, but I thought it'd be fun to come out and look at the rhododendrons because they're in full bloom now. So come with me, let's take a walk around. I remember it being really beautiful here, but it wasn't peak season. It was more winter time, so we didn't have as many flowers to see. So I'm excited to check out all the different varieties that they have here. Darn, I didn't bring my filter. Actually, no need. We're in a county park and plenty of water around. I thought it was interesting that they had to put a sign up to tell people not to drink that, because I'm sure it does get very hot here. In fact, it should be about 80 later on this afternoon, but it's nice and cool this morning, which is perfect because Forrest is not allowed here in the rhododendron garden. So he's hanging out in the van with his fan, chilling. I love when they have the names of the varieties here, especially if there's something you really like that you want to try to get for your garden at home. I don't have a garden at home. I have a van garden. No room for rhododendrons or azaleas. That's okay. Little deck. Jackrabbit Mountain, where I'm staying, is over in that direction. I'm not sure exactly which mountain it is, but it only took us about 15 minutes to get here, which is really nice. So camping in the quote wilderness at a Forest Service campground, but not too far from town. I am really enjoying that campground, and the sites are only $20 a night, $10 if you're a senior. And there's water, campground water, shared water sources, but also showers and bathrooms, and almost every site has got a lake view if it's not actually waterfront, so that's pretty sweet. not a rhododendron, but I couldn't resist taking a picture because they're so beautiful. Walked almost all the trails here, and I was about to head out when I found this little plaque for the Daffodil Project, which I've not heard of before, but it is an effort to plant 1.5 million daffodils in memory of the 1.5 million children who perished in the Holocaust, as well as children who suffer humanitarian crises around the world today. Well, this little garden did not disappoint. It is just as lovely as I remember it, maybe even more so. And it was a great little break. It took me, I don't know, half an hour or so to just walk through all the trails, which actually had a fair amount of up and down because the park is set into a hillside. So that was good just to get my pulse moving a little bit today. Barely a mile, I think, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, definitely not a hike, but there's nothing wrong with getting out and having a nice walk and enjoying the beauty around you. So that was the order of the day this morning. Time to head back to the van and give Forrest a little exercise too.